It is 7:45 and I just realized that I didn't get dinner started, so let's do it. I have chicken thighs that I need to cook, so we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna make them the way I normally make my sweet chili chicken wings. So this is the pan that I use when I do them, and they come out good. I feel like a lot of times, like I've said to you guys before, when my grandma makes things, you know, it's good because she made it, and I feel like it's the water in her house or her pans. This pan, I got it at either TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I guess it's the same thing. I don't know, maybe like 8 months ago. It's starting to get a little bit seasoned, but anyway, chicken wings right on this pan come out amazing. So anyways, I'm going to make my chicken thighs the way I do my chicken wings, and I hope that they come out crispy. So I went ahead, some avocado oil spray on the bottom of my pan. I'm gonna get some gloves on and just add my chicken to here, and I'll be right back. All right, I added my chicken thighs, and I hope that these cook the same way that the chicken wings do. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some more avocado oil right on top, and then I'm gonna get my seasonings, which I just keep it simple because we are gonna be adding on some sweet chili sauce once these cook. So I'm just going in with some salt, and I like my chicken seasoned. So good amount of salt, just regular salt. I don't have any seasoning salt. I need to get more, but I've just been vibing with regular salt because I've been out of seasoning salts for a couple months now, I feel like. Good amount of garlic powder, which, y'all know I love garlic powder. I'm almost out. I get it in bulk, so like this one was from, I forget where I got this. I actually think I got this at my grocery store. When I was at Costco last month, I got another one, so it's ready to go in the pantry. Because I'm not going to be without garlic powder. Then I'm going in with some pepper. That's a tip though I have for you. Buy your seasonings in these bigger containers. And if you don't like the bigger containers, then just refill, you know, the little ones. So much cheaper. All right, let me put this away. My oven is on 400. I think when I do the wings, I do it at 425. I am gonna take it down just a little bit because these are probably gonna cook quicker because there is less fat and there's no bone. So there's also no skin. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead, add this in the oven, and then I'm gonna go shower real quick. So, we'll see you guys, I don't know, like 20 minutes. Okay, these cooked for about 25 minutes, and I just took them out. I went ahead and drained off all of like the drippings. However, these are not crisp, and I had a feeling this was gonna happen because they're not as fatty as chicken wings. So what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I drained off the drippings and I turned my broiler on. While my broiler heats up, I'm gonna get these prepped to go back in. So I'm gonna be using this sweet chili sauce. This is from like a local food truck in Rhode Island, so can't help you on this, but I mean, any sweet chili sauce will work. I'm trying to think. Costco has like a Kirkland one. Trader Joe's has one. You can find sweet chili sauce of all different kinds. So I actually think Trader Joe's has like a ginger one now too, but I digress. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I might actually get a spoon or like a little brush. Hold on. I've got my little pastry brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this on top of all of my chicken. So I did check the biggest piece here. I went ahead and I cut it in half. So these are cooked. So that's why I'm gonna go the broiler direction. If these were not fully cooked, I would have just put them back in the oven at that temperature. That way they could finish cooking. I gotta think about a side. I'll probably just do some rice or something with this. Chicken and rice. Honestly, a staple. Nothing wrong with some good chicken and rice. Because you can flavor it however you like, as I am doing here. If you don't like sweet chili sauce, I mean, you could go in with some barbecue. You don't have to add any sauce if you don't want it. You could do like a dry rub. Options are endless. So I do have a little bit left here. I'm just gonna put that in there. I'm gonna leave this out because I might add some more on when they come out, depending on what they look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these into the broiler. I'm just gonna keep an eye on them. All right, just took this out. We're doing Trader Joe's microwave rice tonight. And that is dinner. Now, obviously for dessert, probably gonna have one of these. I had one last night, they were really good. And finish the rest of this bag. Happy Friday, I'll talk to you guys later, bye.